Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. I'm getting ready to go for a big walk with James. I was gonna do it whenever I dropped Connor off at work at 9:30, but I thought no, just do it, get it out of the way. And James doesn't normally eat breakfast as soon as he's up, so I thought this would be the perfect time just go for a long hour break. And last night I ended up having a bit of a munch with food, like a second cheat day, which I definitely wasn't allowed. So I need to walk that off and be extra good today, tomorrow, and the next day. So yeah, come with me for a walk. So our walk is done, thank goodness. It took me about 50 minutes to get round there. It normally takes me over an hour at least, but today it took me about 50 minutes. He was reasonably good. He was a bit of a moan going around, but basically I have a place called the Lakes that is literally like right beside me. It's like a 2-minute drive, and loads of people come around to exercise and stuff like that. So I like to take him here a few times a week because I know that he doesn't really enjoy the walk itself unless he's walking. But yeah, I feel really good for it, and I feel better because I did have a bad day last night. Well, a bad night last night with food, and I just ate loads, and the day before was my cheat day, which, you know, isn't good to have too because you're going to gain weight, hon. But yeah, I'm going to go home now and make him breakfast. Hi, gorgeous. What are you doing? Are you playing with a bit of cooker? Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Thank you. Say hi. He does get out, guys, by the way. He's just dramatic. Good night, everyone. He's going to bed. He's gonna go to bed. Are you going to bed? Bedtime. Hey, sweet boy, I love you. I love you. Hey, Jay. Night, night, gorgeous. I'm so sad right now. Like, I probably got, this is an awful angle, ew. I probably got the worst news ever. Well, probably not ever, but I got some really bad news today about my car. And also, by the way, I am sorry, this is like, I started a vlog and didn't finish a vlog, and then I just started a vlog again, and it's just sort of like ending on a sad note. But yeah, so basically my car has been playing up for a while, and my mum went and took it to mechanics today because she knows the man that works there, and basically my car cannot be driven anymore and has to be scrapped, and I am gutted. Because if you watch my videos long enough, or if you just scroll back in my videos, you'll know that I actually filmed a video when I got my car, and I was obviously so excited. And this is still the same car. I don't change cars. I just keep the same one because it's like sentimental to me. And he's still here. Can you hear that? If you can hear that, that's the cop rocking because he is just a bull. So basically, yeah, the car is just, the car is just wrecked, and yeah, it's just because it's been playing up for a while. Every time I try to film, he's fine. Just because the car's been wrecked and, well, sort of been playing up for a while, it's just all the problems have came at once, and now it just is completely wrecked and won't work. And yeah, I have no car now. I don't know what I'm going to do. And obviously, having a baby and having a boyfriend who works nearly every day, it's like, how am I going to get him to work, and how am I going to take him places, and how am I going to do my own things that I'm meant to get done daily. Like, it's just, oh, it's such a pain. So I don't even know why I thought to pick up the camera and just tell you guys this because I'm actually really upset about it. I was really like, I was crying earlier, I was in tears. It's just one of those things that's really sentimental to me, and I love that car, and I was actually saying to Connor about selling it, and I was like, no, I kept putting it off because I love the car to bits. And this is obviously before all the problems started, but now I literally have to just scrap it and start new, and I don't even have the money to get a new car, so it's gonna be having a new car for a while. But yeah, I do plan on filming another video tomorrow or the next day, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I'm sorry this is like sort of really on a downer, but like I'm upset, and he's just overtired. But I'm gonna have to go and sort him out and try to get him to sleep because he's just fighting to sleep. But I will see you in my next vlog or video, depending on what I do.